Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Procedures will be similar for most RAV4 models from 2013 to 2018, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your new cabin air filter, here's what you'll do. Open the passenger side door and the glove box and remove its contents. Disengage the damper on the right side of the glove box by pulling it straight out off the post. Squeeze in on both sides of the glove box to disengage it and lower the whole assembly. Now you should be able to see the cabin air filter cover. Press in on the tab on the right-hand side of the cover to disengage and remove it. Slide the old filter out and clean any dust or debris out of the housing with a microfiber cloth. You may have noticed an up arrow on the filter cover and the filter itself, if it's a factory filter. Those up arrows indicate the orientation of the old filter and the cover. When you install your new filter, it should be installed with the airflow indicator pointing upward. Reinstall the filter cover by putting the left side of the cover in place, then snapping the right side closed so that the locking tab secures it. Lift the glove box assembly back up so that it catches on either side to re-engage it. Reattach the damper on the side. Put any items you removed back in the glove box and close it. Shut the door, and that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.